Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make football stadium dip. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need obviously some guacamole for the green of your field. You can use as much or as little as you like, and then just some other dips. So I have some queso, I have some more queso, and some salsa. And then you're going to need a block of some kind of cheese, any kind you like, and I just cut that in half. That's to make our goalposts. Toothpicks and Slim Jims, and then of course any kind of chips that you want to use. And then I just took a chip box, the big 42 package of chips, and I cut it down and put aluminum foil on it. Put my 9x11 baking pan in here, and this is how I assembled my goalpost. You just want to cut one Slim Jim in half. Then you have two long ones, so you'll need 3 for each goalpost, and just assemble it with the toothpicks. They look so cute. And you just use the half of the block of cheese and cut that in half just to stabilize your goalpost here. So next I'm going to go ahead and get ready to add my dips. I have all of my dips here assembled, and you can see they kind of run into each other, but that's okay. So next I'm just going to add my guacamole into the middle here and spread it out evenly. Okay, I added my guacamole, and you can see my cheese kind of mixed in with it a little, but I used it all up. I just tried to spread it on there very as thin as I could. But now I'm going to get out some sour cream and put it in a Ziploc bag and pipe on the lines on the field. I piped on my sour cream lines. They don't go perfectly straight, but I am so happy with how this turned out. Then you just add your fans to the edges there, all of your chips. If you want to put veggies in there, that would be good. And then you just eat it. I can't wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, everyone, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.